So hello and welcome back. In this video we are doing paper 2 as you know, and here we are completing unit 4. The earlier part, that is growth, beginning and growth and development and evolution of Indian anthropology was concerned, we have completed in the previous videos. Now the second part of it is the scholars, Indian scholars and scholars related to India, or scholars with significant contribution as far as Indian anthropology is concerned. So in this list, the first person comes is Hutton. Okay, see, there is S.C. Dubey, B.K. Roy Burman, Hemant Dorf, H.D. Sankalia, Iravati Karve. Even questions have came on H.D. Sankalia, Iravati Karve, S.C. Dubey, S.C. Bose, etc. Even N.K. Bose. So these are the remaining scholars, and I want you to understand it. Okay, and in every video we are only going to deal with one scholar, because I'll be making 50-60 videos on these particular things, only important topics. So this is something that I feel is important, and I'm going to make a dedicated video out of it. So as far as Hutton was concerned, basically he was someone who was appointed as a political agent to Naga Hill. Okay, so what do I mean by it is that during that particular time, pardon me for that, during this particular time, that Naga Hill, that whatever the issue was there on the Nagaland front between the tribes such as Angami Naga and Sema Naga, he was actually acting as a political agent in order to make the peace. Now he also studied the cultural life of tribal when he was there. Then language and physical characteristics. Physical characteristics, I mean here is somatotype or anthropometric measurement. What is somatotype? We'll do it in paper 1. Anthropometric is basically, somatotype is a body physique, okay, type of a body physique. Anthropometric, it means that the measurement of the body. So when Hutton was there posted, first he acted as a political agent, then he studied the cultural life of tribe, then he went on to study the linguistic characteristics as well as physical characteristics. Moving forward, he also studied the socio-cultural institution to find evolutionary origin. Now he was very much into evolutionist. Now what this evolution is, see, the thing is like from past to present, things were simple in the past and it becomes complex in future, and when we will move forward, this thing will be simple, and when we move forward here, the thing will be complex. So this evolution of a thing from simple to complex is basically evolution. That is nothing but an evolution, and he basically studied the social and cultural institution when he needed to find the reason for the evolution. Next, he concluded that Nagas, these are originated and migrated from the Tibet, okay, which is an occupied region of China. So this is something that he basically have come to the conclusion. Then he also discussed the institution of headhunting. Now what do I mean by headhunting is, in Nagas, basically the male, they'll have go on the other side of the tribe and they'll get the heads out of it, and then they'll put it on a spike and maybe put in front of their houses in order to make people believe what actually powerful these people are. So this institution he basically studied, headhunting. Then he also talked about the negrito element in India. Now there is a separate question on negrito element in India, and hence it is not necessary to discuss it over here, but we will be having a separate question on it. So just mark a star and you can read it before we even can do that. Next thing is something, he was someone who favored to grant autonomy. He was someone who favored to grant autonomy to Naga. He also acted as a political agent. This topic we have already completed point. Then he also acted as a census commissioner, and he also was a chairman of anthropology at Cambridge University. Then he also acted as a president of Indian Science Congress in the year 1921. So this is all about Hutton. As far as this topic is concerned, Hutton is concerned, these are the points that you're going to write it down, okay, and then you can, you know, elaborate any point if you want, but I don't think there is a necessary for it. These are already something from which you can make 150 words, and this is nothing, this is something which is more than sufficient. Okay, so the next video when we meet, we'll be discussing the other sort of scholars. So stay tuned, and may God bless you.